Let's get your video published and ready to share. Once you're finished recording and editing and you're ready to finalize your video, go ahead and click the Publish button in the video editor. A new browser window will open, and don't worry, it's going to take a few moments for your video to finalize based on the length of your recording. Here is where you're going to be able to update your video settings. So go ahead and give your video a title and description, or feel free to use one of mmhmm's automatically generated video titles and descriptions. This is also where you can update your video's thumbnail or modify the automatically generated video captions. To update your video's privacy settings, click the Share button. This is where you can change the video from private to public. And once that's updated and you're ready, you can copy the link to share with others as you wish. Need to make changes to your published video? No problem. Click on the My Videos button in mmhmm, then click on the published video you want to update. This will open the video's associated chapters that you've already recorded, as well as any relevant presentation slides. To start making changes, click the Close Editor button. You can now make whatever adjustments you need to perfect your recorded masterpiece. For example, you can re-record a portion of your video, or you can even add multiple new slides and content to your recording. It's all good. Updating your video has never been easier. When you're happy with your changes and you're finished recording, click the Publish button in the chapter editor. A pop-up will appear to notify you that your video will be updated with the changes that you made. So go ahead and click the blue Yes Republish button. And after a few moments of finalization, voila, your video will be republished with your changes and ready to share. We can't wait to see what you create. Happy publishing!